Guys, this is Sheetal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new product to show you all. I'm gonna unbox this Alfawise S9 fitness tracker. It's a budget fitness tracker with color display, BP monitor and also an oxygen level monitor. So before unboxing it, let's check out the box packing. You can see here it says Smart Bracelet, your health tracker, and here's the picture of the watch. It looks cool with the color display. I can't wait to check it out. At the bottom we've got some features of it. It has a heart rate sensor, automatic sleep monitor, message reminder and many more. Now let's check out the backside of the box. You can see the Alfawise branding over here at the top and here are some specifications of it. It has a 0.96-inch TFT screen, Bluetooth 4.0 version and weighs about 20 grams. And these are some other features of it. It has a heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, alarm and also shows message notifications. There's nothing else written on the box, so let's unbox it. This is the user manual. Make sure to read it once as it has the complete information about the product. And here's the fitness tracker. It looks really good. I've got the black color one, but it's also available in many other colors. There's a touch button at the bottom of the fitness tracker to navigate through the menu. You can see the Alfawise branding over here and the quality of the strap is also good. It's made of TPE and has a nice textured finish over it. Now let's turn on the watch and check out how it looks. Wow, the display looks really good. It's sharp, bright and really attractive. Let me peel this sticker and show you. This is how the home screen looks and I really like it. And here at the top we can see the Bluetooth connectivity, battery, date and day. That's awesome. Let's go through the other features of it. There's a pedometer. It shows the number of steps you've walked. This mode shows you the distance you've walked in kilometers. Here you can check the amount of calories you've burned. This is the heart rate sensor. You can see the green light is flashing at the back side. You just have to wear it and switch to the heart rate monitoring interface and it starts. It has a real-time measurement. You can see here guys, I'm just placing my finger and it's taking the reading. I'll show you how it works in the later part of the video. There's also a BP monitor and it shows you both the systolic and diastolic readings. This mode shows you the oxygen level in your blood. I've never seen a budget fitness tracker with these many features. Here you can see the call and message notifications. If you long press the touch button, it shows you the call notifications and if you press it again, it shows you the message notifications. This is the Find My Phone feature and here you can see the firmware version. So these were all the features of the watch. Now I'm gonna wear it and show you. It looks good and feels light on my hand. There's also a raise to wake feature. Let me show you how it works. It's pretty good, but it takes a fraction of a second to turn on the screen. Now let's test the heart rate monitor. You can see the moment we go into this mode, it starts monitoring and it continuously monitors the heart rate. It was working well and gave accurate results almost 80% of the time. Okay, now let's check the BP monitor. Even this mode starts immediately after entering it and once it's done, it vibrates and stops. Oh my god, it's showing 138/96. That's really high. I don't have high BP. In fact, I have low BP. So guys, it's not that correct reading. Please don't take this reading seriously. And it's same with the oxygen monitor. But guys, it just gives an approximate value, so don't completely rely on it. Now I'll show you the phone app of this fitness tracker. The name of the app is JU and you can download it from the QR code in the manual. It's compatible with both iOS and Android. I'm showing you on my iPhone. This is how the app interface looks. It shows you the complete information about your sports activities, sleep activities. It also shows you weekly and monthly statistics of steps and sleep in the form of graph. And this is the setting. From here you can connect your phone to your fitness tracker. For that you just have to turn on the Bluetooth, search for it here and connect it just like this. Once they are connected, you can sync the data like this. Just press start and the data from your watch gets downloaded to your phone. You can also set alarm and also take pictures using this fitness tracker. That is so cool. I'll show you that later. There's also an auto detect heart mode and in this mode it continuously tracks your heart rate. And here you can see the software and firmware versions. Now let me show you how to take pictures with this fitness tracker. And one more thing guys, if you exit the app, the fitness tracker automatically gets disconnected to your phone. So you have to again pair them like this. Okay, now they are connected. Let's take some photos. You just have to press the touch button on your watch and the photos get clicked in your phone. But I don't know why the camera is zoomed in. It's not even showing the preview of the pictures. I feel this feature was not that much useful. To charge this fitness tracker, you just have to pull the band from the side which has USB written on its back and place it in the USB cable. Talking about the battery life, it has a 90 mAh battery and the charging time was about 1.5 hours. It worked for 2 to 3 days on a continuous usage and the standby time was about 10 days. So that was my unboxing and review of this Alfawise S9 fitness tracker. The build quality is good and everything is good for the price, but I was not satisfied with the battery life. What I really like the most is the beautiful color display. In fact, I've purchased this only because of that. Otherwise, it's same like other regular fitness trackers. And for the price, there are so many features in it, but the BP monitor and oxygen monitors were not that accurate, so don't rely on that. The heart rate sensor was good. I felt it was showing correctly. But the only thing I felt is charging this band is a bit difficult because you have to pull the strap really hard. It's the first budget fitness tracker with BP and oxygen monitor in it. I've never seen a budget fitness tracker with these features. It costs about 1100 to 1200 rupees and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. That's it for today guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video.